This looks delicious. I hope you like it. I spent all day cooking.
Take that! Hey, what's the big idea? Here's another one. You're so immature!
Hey! Girls, come on! You're ruining the night! Enough! Stop!
She started it! Hey, that was a burger!
Get out of here! Both of you!
See what you've done, Olivia?
I'm so mad right now. Some people have no manners. At least I can enjoy my food in peace.
This is all your fault.
Ow, what am I sitting on?
Ooh, a makeup brush.
Where did these come from?
Who cares? Take that! Is that the best you've got? I'll show you! Bring it on!
Wait, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
We need a costume change! Ooh, nice! Let's do this! Okay, stay still. I'll start with red face paint. I'll paint a shape around your throat and the top of your chest. This will be a wound. Now I'll add flour to a bowl. And pour in latex. I need to mix it until it forms a paste. I can put it on Olivia's skin now. I'm going around the outside of the shape I created. Now I need some concealer. I've picked a shade that will match Olivia's skin tone. I'll brush it onto the latex mixture. I want to blend it into the surrounding area. Now we need to fill the wound. I'm using red face paint for this. I want to fill it completely. I can use different shades of red to give texture and depth. Next, I need black face paint. I'll brush this onto Olivia's throat and up to her chin. I need to be careful around the wound. I don't want to make any mistakes. Once that's done, we need fake blood. I'll drizzle it over the top of latex. It'll start to drip down. This gives it a realistic look. Wow, it looks gory. It really does. I've got a pain in my neck. This is great. I think we're ready. If we lean against this black wall, it looks like our hands are floating. Shh, Nick is coming.
Maybe I was tough on the girls. Oh my gosh! What happened? I can't believe it!
Gotcha! Did you see his face? That was awesome.
I totally knew it wasn't real, but well done. Do you want some candy?
Ooh, I think we deserve a treat.
Enjoy it. Bye.
Bye. I love candy. It's the best thing about Halloween. It's so yummy. I want more. And I know where to get it. I just need to be sneaky. Make it nice and easy. Mia always keeps her candy under the pillow. Got it! The perfect crime! I'm gonna enjoy this. She'll never know. It's mine. All mine. Huh? Where's my candy? Oh no! This is bad! It's all gone!
This is tasty.
Olivia! That's my candy! Give me it!
I don't know what you're talking about.
Ugh, she always does this. I can't believe that worked. Hold on. I think I have an idea. I think this'll work. It's time for some payback. I feel like I need a makeover. I'll start with some white face paint. I'll apply it all over my face, avoiding my eyes and mouth. Okay, now for the next stage. This time, I'm using black face paint. I'm using a sponge to apply it around my eyes. It'll blend with the white face paint, creating shadowing. Next, I'll paint my lips red. I'll go around my mouth and up my cheeks. I'll use different shades of red for this. Looks pretty good, huh? Now to finish it off. I think this hair color suits me. Why so serious? I'm gonna take back what's mine. And I'm gonna smile doing it. It's showtime! Ah! What the?
Mia? Is that you?
Boom! I'm out of here! Stay back! I know karate! Oh, I'm not going anywhere. I'm only getting started. Check this out. Whoa! Wow! Whoa!
Can we hurry this up? I need to get to bed.
Whee!
Ugh, this is gross.
Still falling, huh? What's going on? It does look cool, though. Okay, I'm bored with this. No! Don't do it! Take that! Ow! Ooh, my candy!
Wait, this was all over candy?
I'm telling Mom! Looks like crime does pay. Oh, this is good. Looks like my next client's late. Where is she? Oh, Olivia, you made it! Sorry I'm late. So, I have a party tonight. Ooh, exciting. It's a Halloween party, so I need something spooky. Let me think. I have just the thing. You're gonna love it. First, I need to shape your eyebrows. That's better. Now I need to apply face paint. I'll start by creating a line down the middle of your face. Then I'll paint one side with white face paint. I'll take my time around your eyes. I'll paint half of your lips too. So far so good. Now let's create some contrast. I'll use a light pink for this. I'll brush it on lightly. I just want to highlight certain areas. It's almost like contouring. Now I'll go over it with some glitter makeup. This'll make it stand out. Next I'll brush on some foundation. Again, this is about creating depth and shadows. This is looking great! Let's add a little bling. I'll dab glue on your skin. Then attach these gems. It's easier to use tweezers for this. I'll attach a string of beads over your eyebrows. Again, glue will hold this in place. I'll add more gems around your eyes. And one on your nose. This glitter will add more sparkle. I'll lightly dab it under your eyes. I'll follow the curve of your eyes. And I'll put a little on your cheek. You look so striking! We can use white contact lenses to create a piercing stare. But we're not finished. I'll use red face paint on the other side. I need to be careful around the middle of your face. Next, we need a latex horn. I'll stick it on with glue. Next, we need to create some shadowing. I'll follow your cheekbone and contouring. I'll brush black face paint around the horn, too. It's time for black lipstick. This is so dramatic! I'm not gonna apply it directly. I'll use a brush for this. It helps to be precise. Okay, what's next? I'll put some small dots around your eye. The small details really make a difference. Then I'll paint small circles on your skin. I'm gonna create a chain. I want it to look like it's hanging from your skin. Then you need a wig. Wow! You look amazing! An angel and a devil. A good side and a bad side. But which one is more fun? Wow! You're a genius! I better go. Woohoo! This is a great party! I'm finally here. I hope people like my costume. They better. Or else. Oops! That's the devil side talking. Whoa! Check out Olivia!
Wow. An angel. Sweet.
Hey! Over here! Ah!
What's their problem? I guess I look convincing. Hey, honey. I see you. Get it?
Yeah, good one. These eyeballs are so fresh.
And juicy. Wow, just look at her. She's beautiful. I suppose now's the right time. Mia, there's something I need to ask you.
Aw, it's beautiful. I'll be right back.
I wasn't expecting that. What just happened? I'm heartbroken.
I need to do my makeup. I'll start by applying a white base. I'll cover my whole face. Now I'll go around my eyes with blue paint. I'll create a large circle. I'll just follow the natural line of my eye socket. That looks good. Now for my cheekbones. And then I'll brush a faint line on my nose. Once that's done, I'll do the same on the other side. It's just to create contouring. I've painted around my nostrils and my chin. Now I need to paint my throat. I've painted it black but left a gap in the middle. I'm gonna paint that white. I want this to be perfect. It is my wedding day after all. How do I look? Like a blushing bride? Or more like the corpse bride? It's time to get married.
My mom warned me about her. I guess she was right.
Oh, sweetheart. The answer's yes.
What?
You've made me the happiest corpse in the world.
Mia? You look stunning! I can't believe this is happening! I need to get a suit. That's better. May I?
What a ring!
I picked it myself.
It fits!
Let's do this.
So about the honeymoon. This color always looks great on me. Claire, you're taking forever. Finally, it's my turn. Can't believe how long she took. Oh, I'm getting an idea. I'll just take this empty picture frame. Carefully pop out the glass. Time for some mirror spray paint. Just gonna coat all of the glass. Back into the frame it goes. Hello, scary picture. You go in the corner. And some black paper to finish it off. Gotta make sure it's secured nice and tight. Okay, time to remove the real mirror. And now it's replaced with my spooky one. Just one more mirror check-in. Ah! Just doing some cleaning. Oh, these shoes gave me a great idea. Just put the broom handle in the shoe and cover everything. Claire, I need you! Help! Ugh, I'm trying to watch a movie. Fine. This better be worth it. Ah! What's happening to you? Help me, Claire. No. I don't like this. Please, Claire. Claire. Surprise! Haha, I got you good. You. Halloween parties are the best. Looks like everything is ready to go. Is that pumpkin moving on its own? Okay, I'm just a little creeped out. Ha! He's totally falling for it! Time to really sell it. The entire table is shaking! My decorations are in jeopardy! Good thing I had this prank set up already. I wrapped the cellophane around my hand. Then I used packing tape as an extra layer. I was extra careful with the scissors when cutting it off. Perfect! Then I just taped it back together. This was gonna work great. I just knew it. One final piece and I was done. Then it was time for tape around my waist and my knee. Also my arms and chest and… well, you can see I made a whole body. Nick was going to regret his earlier pranks. What was that? What's going on around here? The lights again? Is something behind me? Ah! He's screaming like a baby! I love a good day of gaming. Claire's coming. Gotta warm this up. Okay, let's check your temperature. You definitely have a fever. I'm hungry, too. Poor Nick. I'll make you something. It worked. Back to my game. I think I'll make him a nice soup. Unless he'd rather have something else. I'll ask him. Whoa, that liar! He's not sick at all! He's gonna get it now. Time to heat up some water and add tapioca. Stir, stir, stir. Just gotta wait for it to absorb the water. It's ready for the red food coloring. Stir it all in until it's all mixed up. Perfect! Now for the next step. I'll put some of the tapioca on this bowl. Yes! Look how globby it is! Excellent! I think this needs some orange juice. Fill it all the way to the top. Next up, colored cauliflower. Oh, they look fantastic! And for the finishing touch, gummy eyeballs! Time to give this a little mix. It's ready. Oh no, she's coming back! Nick, I've got your soup right here. Open wide. I bet that tastes good. Thank you, Claire. You're a good friend. This soup will make me feel better for sure. There's an eyeball in my soup! Gross! It looks like brains! Don't forget to eat all of it, Nick.
Haha, okay, next one. Dum dum dum. Smasher! Ugh, cockroach cakes. Ugh, they look so bad. Okay, here goes. That looks so gross. Is it moving? Nah, just your imagination. Ah, nope, no way. Not eating that. I can taste it. Disgusting. It's just a dead, horrible bug. It can't hurt you. Yuck, yuck, yuck! So crunchy! I can feel its legs move! Ugh, so gooey! I need to get rid of this! Yuck! Just eat it. Okay, one last try. It's not a cockroach. It's a nice chocolate bun. Still a cockroach! I can't do this! What the? Take that! And that! And that! Don't move! Stay right there! Get back here! Oh, that looks like chocolate syrup. Tastes like it too. Please don't. Remind me to get you some toothpaste after this. Okay, so this looks like a pretty normal cake. I mean, I do like frosting. Hold on, there's something in there. No way! It's money! 100, 200, 300, 4... I'm rich! There's more! I'm going to order so much pizza. It just keeps going! There's so much! Okay, this is so unfair. Psst. Who's there? Hello? And now to make some money. It's mine! The perfect crime. That was so weird. My money! It's gone! Did you see? He's gone! I don't believe it. Oh well, at least I still have some cake. I'd rather be rich.
Picking the right Halloween costume can be difficult. Hopefully we've given you some ideas. What was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.